Hello, good morning, dear. I'm very excited today because just I'm going to meet a special girl, and she's really very beautiful and she's very charming girl. Whenever I see her, whenever I talk to her, I feel very over the moon. I feel over the moon. So, would you like to meet her? And if you want to meet her, just come with me. Okay. So now, finally, I'm going to meet her. Sure. Now, dear, let's go for meet her special girl. Are you ready for meeting? Finally, I get on the bike. Let's go for meet her. Basically, dear, yesterday was a birthday of that girl, so that's why I couldn't wish her. So now, finally, I wanna give her a surprise. So that's why I'm going to meet her. I think you all are thinking what I'm doing. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. Just I'm doing what I like because just I want to improve this spoken and just I want to learning this language. So that's why just I'm going to create some videos in only English content. Okay, I can make these blogs in always Hindi, but no. And suppose if I started making a vlog in Hindi, then what is the reason behind making the vlog in Hindi? There is no motive. Final, final, I have reached on the final bridge, and after cross this bridge, just I will reach there within 2 or 3 minutes. So till continue, we call the mama to traffic police because I'm not wearing the helmet. So that's why. So finally, dear, I wanted to meet that girl. She's that girl, and I was very excited for meeting her. And she look at her face, and now she's playing with me. And basically, where she's looking. Hey, you! Why you are looking at my face? Look in this camera. Come on, baby, look in this camera. Now she's very cute and she's very beautiful girl that I was very curious for meeting her. And really, and one another girl is sleeping inside the room, and I will show you later. Okay, I will show you later because she has a birthday yesterday, so last night I couldn't came here. So right now just I came, and right now she is sleeping in the room. When she wake up, then I will record a short clip. Okay. So now the name of this girl is Jiva. Yeah, Jiva is the name of this girl, and but I don't know what is the particular meaning of this word, Jiva. Okay. So Jiva, look in this camera. Jiva, please look. Jiva, please look in this camera. Look in this camera. Would you like to say something? Would you like to say something? No? You don't have to word to say something? So just she is staring at me. And why you are staring at me? Yeah? Don't look at me. See in the camera. Yes, she is very afraid, I think. She is not getting what I am saying. And she is beating me. Hey, why you are beating me? She is basically she is thinking what should I speak or what should I not speak, because I think at this age she is not able to understand what I am speaking. But whenever she will show these videos, I think after a lot of years, then she will realize then what you doing here. Don't do this. Look in this camera. Look in this camera. No, she is smiling once again. Do smile. Why you are making your mouth like pumping, like to talk? No? What? I'm not getting what you are saying. Can you give me in writing, please, so I can understand? No. I'm not able to still understand. Please, could you give me in writing? हाँ, लिखित में दे सकती है? Because I'm not getting what you are saying. If you can give me in writing, then I can understand more easily what you are saying. See, as she's speaking, I think she is feeling very hungry, starving. She is very starving, so that's why she is sleeping. Hey, where you are looking? Look in this camera. Basically, do you know her mama is standing behind the camera, and so that's why. What happened? What happened to you? Where you are looking? Look in this camera. Look, I said you. I'm telling you. Look in this camera. Baby, please look in this camera. See? See? Look in this camera. Dear, she is not able to understand what I'm saying here. But it's okay, no issue here. One day she will definitely understand what I'm saying. Okay. Dear, basically, do you know one thing? My intention is not that making a blog, but just I want to give you the environment for spoken this language. So that's why I record everything in English. Because until we can't speak, how can we learn this language? So that's why this is the most effective reason. Whatever comes in your mind, just throw out of your mind. This is Laddu. He is very mischievous around the house. Even though he is big, he still plays like a kid. He sniffs everything before eating to check the smell. And he is incredibly smart. No, I am not recording you. She is very cute girl. If I talk about the weight of this baby, maybe 400 to 500 gram approximate. So now finally she wake up early, and since she was sleeping inside the room, and now finally she wake up, and now she is playing with the bangles of his mom, and you can see she is very naughty girl. And really I wanted to meet this, and she is very naughty and she is very cutie, because she always doing something that we can't imagine. So just if I talk about the name of this baby, the name is Yashvi. Yes, Yashvi. Yashvi, where are you camera going? Just take this. So now tell me what's your name? I'm asking to you, what is your name? Tell me, what is your name?
My name is Kush.
Sorry?
My name is Kush.
Speak loudly. थोड़ा तेज बोलना. तेज बोल थोड़ा सा. क्या नाम है तेरा? Tell me.
My name is Kush.
Your name is Kush. And in which class do you read?
UKG class.
UKG. And tell me your school name. In which college do you read? School का क्या नाम है?
Sri Vidya Mandir Senior Secondary School.
Once again.
Sri Vidya Mandir Senior Secondary School.
Okay.